The other week I did a video where I used a hair gel made out of cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you want to call it. I realized after filming cornstarch is probably the more correct term to use. I was calling it corn flour. And today we're going to be using cornstarch to make a deep conditioner. And what I mean by that is I had a lot of gel left over. I didn't want to waste it, so I thought let's reuse it and make a deep conditioner. When I've looked at recipes that use it as a deep conditioner, the quantities are a bit less. It obviously isn't as thick as how I made it, but I didn't want to make any more. I wanted to use what I have. So I took about 3 spoons of this lumpy glob of mixture that's left over from a couple of days ago and put it into a bowl. Then, because I'm going to be using the Wave products today, I decided to use a little bit of their deep conditioner to mix in with it. I took about a spoon and a half, maybe. I think it wasn't even that. It was probably a bit less. And about a spoon of olive oil. I made such a mess of this step. First, it ended up going all over the worktop. Then I went to lift up the spoon, also spilt some on the worktop. So yeah, then I'm mixing it all together, and then I scraped off the leftover olive oil off the worktop and put it into the bowl and mixed it some more. The videos that I've seen online are really impressed and talking very positively about cornstarch deep conditioner, but the recipes always call for you to use a conditioner with it and coconut oil or olive oil or something. So I mean, how much is the cornstarch actually doing and how much of it is the conditioner and the olive oil? I don't know, but we're just gonna roll with it because we've got to use this up. So if you're curious to see the results, then just keep on watching. So off camera, all I did was wet my hair. I didn't wash it, shampoo it or anything. I just wet it and then I just put it up in the towel just so that it wasn't dripping water everywhere. But I literally put the towel on and took it off instantly. And then it was time to apply the skunky mess. I have so many regrets right now. This was not my best idea. I like where my intentions were, you know, not wanting to waste anything, but this was not great. There was lumps of cornstarch and water mixture dropping off on the floor everywhere, on my feet. I could feel it going down my hoodie. This was very messy. I do think I should have, I don't know, maybe boiled the mixture again with some more water before I went adding in conditioner and all that jazz, just to make it a bit runnier before I went and used it on my hair, or using a whisk to make sure that it was properly blended. My idea coming into this was, oh, it'll just smush out in my hair as I'm spreading it, but that was not the case. I applied that all over my hair as best I could, but was it really doing anything? I don't really know. And then I'm tying my hair up and I'm putting a bag over. I was gonna put the bag anyway, but now I'm doing it more so that I'm not leaving white blobs of cornstarch all over the house wherever I go. And then I'm putting a towel on top. I mean, maybe this will help the lumps melt down into my hair. I don't know. I don't think so, but here's to wishful thinking. And as you can see, here's the mess that I left on the floor. There's a really sticky mess on the bathroom floor right now that I need to remember to mop later on. And I am leaving this in my hair for not very long, honestly. I typically don't leave deep conditioners in my hair very long. I find that my hair doesn't need it. So only for about 10 minutes. So when I was ready, I decided to situate myself in front of the bathtub. I decided it's probably best I film this part so you can see what's going on. First of all, I decided it was best to take everything off over the tub because lumps were falling out of my hair, although not as many as when I first was applying the mixture to my hair. So I do actually think that they did kind of melt down into my hair just a little bit, some of them. I added a bit of water to my hair and then I used my brush to detangle. Honestly, my hair at this step step felt amazing. It was super quick to detangle. My knots just kind of slid right out, which I wasn't expecting, because before I added any water to my hair didn't feel nice at all and it looked very tangled. It didn't look great, but the water really helped, made a huge difference. My hair looked and felt amazing. So is it the cornstarch mixture? Is it the deep conditioner? Is it the olive oil? I don't know. Or is it all three of those things mixed together? I then did the rest of my washing off camera because, let's be honest, the position that I had you in wasn't fantastic. It's late afternoon, so lighting isn't fantastic right now. Off camera, I shampooed with Wave and conditioned with Wave. I only added about 2 pumps of conditioner, but I was thinking while I was adding it, does my hair even need this? Because after shampooing, my hair still felt amazingly smooth, very silky, very seaweed-like. So, I mean, I wish I would have gone without conditioner, honestly, just to kind of see. Then I put my hair up in a towel just so that my hair isn't dripping water everywhere. I've made enough mess as it is. And now we're going to style. So I added some of the leave-in to my hair. I just kind of worked that into my hair, and then I started splitting my hair into sections to style with my brush. And before I went in and styled with my brush, I was spraying each section with plenty of water because this towel dries your hair really quick. This is from Only Curls London. If you're in need of a towel like this is the one for you. So I brush styled my hair, then I took the foam and glazed and scrunched that into my hair, and then I took 3 pumps of gel in total and scrunched that into my hair, and then I scrunched with the towel to remove the excess, and my hair was looking very nicely defined at this point. Very wonderful. Now I have my hair up in a towel for about, I don't know, 10 minutes I guess, before I go and diffuse this bad boy. My hair is looking very crazy right now. I'm gonna scrunch this out with some oil and we'll see how my hair's feeling and looking after this treatment today. So here are the finished results. It looks shiny in this lighting, but when I go and look at it in the mirror, my hair kind of looks dull. So it hasn't turned out as shiny as I was expecting and or hoping today. I'm also not a huge fan of how my hair is feeling, but I mean, we did get some really nice clumps today. Zero frizz, really. I think my hair does look quite nice and healthy though. If you have any thoughts on today's video, I'd love to hear your opinion. Will I be doing this again? Probably not. Let me know if you'd be willing to give it a try, or if you have tried it or some variation of it, let me know. I remember in the beginning of my hair journey, I used to have so much fun making different concoctions of deep conditioners when honestly it would have just been easier and quicker to go to the shop and buy my own deep conditioner. Here is some more content from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!